Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you've just bought a SereneLife portable air conditioner and want to set it up properly, it might seem a bit confusing at first because there are a few components involved, like the exhaust hose, window kit, and control settings. Many users plug in the unit but don't get proper cooling because the setup wasn't done correctly. Portable ACs require proper installation to remove hot air and circulate cool air efficiently. The good news is that once you understand the setup process, it becomes very simple and only takes a few minutes. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to set up and use your SereneLife portable air conditioner the right way. Try these. Step 1. Place the air conditioner near a window and plug it into a power outlet. Step 2. Install the window kit securely in your window opening. Step 3. Attach the exhaust hose from the unit to the window kit. Step 4. Turn on the unit and select the cooling mode. Step 5. Set your desired temperature using the control panel or remote. Step 6. Allow the unit to run and confirm cool air is flowing properly.